Unraveling, Retrace Your Steps, a guide to mastering this useful phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, retrace your steps. This phrase is not only common in everyday English conversations but also offers insight into how language encapsulates actions and problem-solving strategies. Stick around as we break down what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a handy expression to have in your language toolkit. Retrace your steps is a phrase that suggests going back over the path or actions you have previously taken, usually in an attempt to find something lost or remember something forgotten. The word retrace literally means to trace back or follow back, and your steps refers to the actions or path you have taken. Together, they create a vivid picture of walking back over your own footsteps to locate a missing item or recall an action. This phrase can be used in both literal and figurative contexts. Literally, you might retrace your steps to find a lost object. Imagine you've lost your keys. You might start at the last place you remember having them and then walk back through all the places you've been since. Figuratively, the phrase can be used to describe the process of going back through one's thoughts or actions to understand how a mistake was made or to remember a forgotten detail. To help you fully grasp how retrace your steps is used, let's look at some examples. I can't find my phone. I'll have to retrace my steps and see if I left it somewhere. If you're not sure how the error occurred, try to retrace your steps through the calculations. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in various situations, from losing personal items to troubleshooting problems. Remembering and using retrace your steps can be made easier with a few tips. 1. Visualize the action. Think of the phrase visually. Imagine walking back over your own footprints. 2. Associate it with problem solving. Whenever you're faced with a situation where you need to figure out how something went wrong or where something was lost, remind yourself that this is a perfect time to retrace your steps. Retrace your steps is more than just a phrase. It's a useful strategy for problem solving and reflection. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use it effectively in your conversations and thinking processes. Remember, mastering these phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your ability to express complex ideas with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.